It is August 1st, 2014. Current time is 10:19 GMT. Jay Mosley with Daily Forex Trading Outlook. It's non-farm payroll day. You can roll the dice on this one. In this regard, not only do you have to watch the unemployment rate, non-farm payroll, but you also have to watch average hourly earnings. That is a maybe the most important component, as the market is now in a watch to see if expectations for Fed tightening get moved up from the third quarter of 2015 to the second or first quarter, following some strong data. This is where we stand. If you look at the euro dollar, we've traded 134 for the third day in a row now, and that is clearly the pivotal level, well within 133.50 to 134.50. It will set the tone. Market is very short, so there's always a risk on a surprise, and you can see what happened in sterling after its surprise miss on the downside in PMI, how it sold off. So the markets can be hypersensitive to data, not just today, but for the rest of the month. And more important is how the dollar ends today, and how the euro dollar ends today will be very important, because it will set the tone into next week, which is generally a light data week, and maybe perhaps through the month of August to see if these trends can accelerate. All depends on Fed expectations and interest rates at this point. In that regard, you got to watch the U.S. bond yields, as they are driving the bus at the moment. Now, if we look at the daily chart going quickly, no change, down channel. Trend line comes in around 135 right now. And all moving averages are basically above 135. If you look in the 4-hour, are we into one of these, the patterns I've been pointing out? Look here. A low surrounded by consolidation, low surrounded by consolidation, consolidation, each case followed by a new low. Here we're back into, we made a low, and now we're into consolidation again. So we'll see if this continues. If this pattern is broken, it will tell you something. If this pattern continues, then we're going to make a new low in the next coming days. That's your 4-hour. If you look at your 1-hour here, if you remember, I've been talking about the 100 period moving average. Right now it's coming closer. It's at 134.07. That's been a really good indicator. We've only had a couple. If we go back and make the chart a little bit, you can see here how this indicator here has only been nicked a couple times since breaking below it. This is going back to the middle of July. So the 100-hour moving average has been a very good indicator. Continue to watch it. Otherwise, there's resistance between 134.05 to 20, and the key level on top is 130. I'm making it 134.45 to 55, with 134.50 being most important. On the downside, 133.50 is clearly the recent low plus 133.50 will be the obstacles to the next target at 132.94. So we're going to roll the dice today. If you want to know what constitutes a surprise, I wrote this article 2 days ago. Now we're into the last surprise day. Watch out for a surprise. Just click on it right here. Link is embedded. You'll see what's in store for the what I see for non-farm payroll today. So that really sums it up: 133.50, 134.50. Otherwise, the dollar is bid elsewhere, and the euro is only bid out of its crosses at the moment, more so than outright U.S. dollar demand. And that's it. Watch. Good luck and good trading today.